Hi, I'm Bree King, and this is my Capstone 6. Sydney, Australia is a place where forest fires ravage everything that is known. It has come to the point that people are fined for having a campfire in the warmer months. There are water restrictions such as not using a sprinkler or using a hose, watering plants, or even washing your car. Image 1 shows that Australia's temperatures have been steadily increasing like the rest of the world, and Image 2 shows that most of the southern parts of Australia, and especially around Sydney, have been facing the lowest on-record amounts of rainfall projection. The combination of extreme heat and little rainfall has led Sydney to be hot, dry, and with a lot of fuel from dry plants, which is a recipe for disaster. At the beginning of 2020, in New South Wales alone, there was around 12.8 million hectares of land that were damaged by the fires. Grand mal. That number alone is astounding, and that does not consider the other states in Australia. The government has tried controlled burning to destroy the dry vegetation that becomes fuel for the fires, but in some instances, even the controlled burns had gotten out of hand and threatened entire towns. The idea is right and would work because it would slow down the fires that are already burning huge and hot, but they have to be done at the exact correct time and under basically perfect conditions to ensure it does not get out of hand. An article by the UN Environment Programme explains the impact of the fires and how they've affected communities in the following ways. Over 85,000 homes and buildings have been lost, public health because of the smoke and air pollution, the climate feedback mechanism because of the fires, and numerous economic costs because of the many different reasons. 10. Over a million estimated animal losses and more to come because of the loss of habitat and food, which causes a decrease in biodiversity. There are also the effects to the agriculture side of lost crops and livestock and the land used to harvest them. Solutions include remaining vigilant if you have a fire started, call authorities when a fire gets out of control, dropping fire retardant on areas where the fire may spread, and dropping water and dirt on active fires.